Hello, today we're gonna make a heart. We need a A4 size paper, a scissor, and a glue. And now we will open, and now we will take this edge and this edge, we will line it to the middle. Now we'll take this edge, we will line it to the middle. And now we will open all this that we did. And now we will take our scissor and we'll cut these lines. We got our stripes. We will take one, we will fold in half, and after we will fold it down, and this will be the form of the heart. And we will take our glue and we will glue it there. And this is our first heart. And now we will repeat the same steps. Now we made all of our hearts. And now we will take our glue. We will put it here. And with the other heart, we will glue it. And now we'll repeat the same step. So we will just need 5 for making this. And here we go, we made our heart ornament. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye!